In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the hot promo codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple, and let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser, and you'll have to search for the hot promo codes. As you can see right here, the very first website is Coupon Follow, and I recommend you to use this one right here. And as you can see, we have a list with different type of deals and promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to use this 20% of my next purchase, all I have to do is select your coupon code right here. And this is my discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get that 20% discount. As you can see right here, if you go back to your main search, there are plenty of other websites that you can use. For example, you can select right here voucher codes. And as you can see, right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use on the hot. For example, if I want to get this deal right here with 20% off, what I have to do is select get code option. And this is the discount code that I can use on my next purchase in order to get the 20% off and free delivery. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.